Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can subtract shapes on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a shape real quick here. I'm just going to fill that in. I'll do a pink star. Try later. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Copy and paste that. I'm just going to make that smaller. Right, why isn't it? Oops, sorry. I'm trying to. There. You can use any colors, but I'm just going to use white. And I just want to subtract this shape from this one. So I'm just going to select both, go to window and select the Pathfinder here. Then you're just going to go to the subtract one. I keep saying that. And you're going to just select minus front, and it's going to basically subtract the shape from the original shape here. So make sure the second shape that you want to subtract is in the front. So you're just going to select minus front. And that's it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.